Hello all, welcome to my channel and another video related to cost of living. We explore and travel different parts of the world, and it is very important for us to know about a particular city. What is the cost of living, how it looks like if you want to live for long term in a particular city. And imagine if you get every information what you require for that particular thing in just one click. Isn't it fascinating and amazing? Yes, definitely. In this video, we'll see the similar kind of a website which gives you an information about everything what you need for a particular day-to-day life in a particular city or any part of the world which you are targeting or aiming to move on. So let's see further and explore how this website looks for like and what it is about. So go to your internet browser. For me, it's Google and type Nuembo. So Nuembo, just click on a first link. So once you get the first link, click on it. You can sign up either if you want further information about it, but we are just going to explore it without signing up. So let's go ahead. This is the home page, how it looks like. As it says, has the world's largest cost of living database. And it provides information about housing, crime rates, quality of healthcare, and many other statistics. Wow, that's really amazing. Let's pick up a city. For example, if I'm planning to move to Berlin, Germany, how it would be. Oof, wow, it provides the information related to everything. Like for example, the restaurants, the markets, transportation, utilities, sports, childcare, clothing and shoes, rent per month, what is the buying apartment ratio, and salaries and financing. That's amazing. You just get to know everything about what you look like, how your everyday or what is your cost of living look like for this city, Berlin. Let's go and explore it into detail. So if I say the family of 4 estimated monthly cost this, which is without rent, and a single person estimated cost without rent. Okay, so it says Berlin is less expensive than Copenhagen, where I'm currently living. Rent in Berlin is average lower than in Copenhagen. So it is comparing to my previous to next upcoming move, which is good. You can easily compare. Suppose if you are moving from one place to another place, how it looks like, what are the different measures that add to your pocket, how your pocket size will look like if you switch to a particular place with your family, with your different associated people. It's like amazing. So the another thing, good thing is you can convert the currency in whichever thing you like or comfortable. Usually it is like euro or dollars or anything, but let's consider it as a USD dollar. So USD dollar, it so shows you then how the restaurants will be, how much you have to spend once you go on a meal, or what is your supermarket things looks like the regular things what you usually eat or you need to buy for everyday survival. That's also mentioned. Okay, the transportation. This is a good overall view, like if you can get how much it's better to have a local transport, public transport, or how it looks like to have a car. That's nice. Sports and leisure, childcare. Then you can have the different comparison. Not only like Germany or Berlin, you can just compare between the two cities also. Right, so if you have any other city in Germany, then you can definitely look into that, like how it looks like for you if you move to that particular city. The best thing is if you have something like if you feel okay, these are the things that can be changed, you can also edit and give your quotes or references in that, and so that it gets more clear with whatever the previous recorded database it has. It's good if you have something you felt like okay, this has not been the case, just try to improvise it. It's kind of contribution that you can do to improve this database. So it's also, when you go down, you can see the pie chart, which is very colorful and nice. So how much you are spending your money on which particular category the most is also explained here, which is nice. So it also gives you the nearby cost of living in the nearby cities, which is also unique. The languages where the people are speaking. Altogether, it's like amazing one. You can also add your comments to this, where people have added many of the things what I'm thinking, what I can see. That's nice and amazing. So altogether, it's a very good website to have on your list before you move down to any place or make your mind. So definitely it will be helpful for you to plan your future, to plan your city accordingly. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.